Yeah, my name is Mike Beman. I'm an assistant professor at University of California, Merced. My research is basically focused on nutrient cycling in the ocean and the microbes that carry that out, and then how that's affected by global change. So things like climate change, ocean acidification. Um, but essentially, we look at the microbes that are present in the water, and there's actually quite many of them, and the way that they basically convert one chemical compound to another, generate energy, and in the process of doing that, they have a big effect on environmental conditions in the lakes or in the ocean, and they serve as the basis essentially for the entire food web. So one of the challenges of ocean-going research is you can only go to one place at one time, and you need a ship to do that. And a lot of times we schedule that years in advance, and it's really difficult to sometimes capture the phenomena that we're really interested in looking at. The ability to put something out in the ocean and maybe tell it to go someplace interesting on a whim would be fantastic, or to have a fleet of those, constantly sensing conditions. One of the other really interesting aspects about the wave gliders is the ability to measure things sort of at the sea surface, both above and below. Whereas satellites, you're really limited to the view from above, and you can only see a certain depth in the ocean. So it gives you the possibility of sort of making things more three-dimensional rather than two-dimensional. We may sort of forget in our connected world that we didn't always know as much as we know about things now. And so a good example is things like Hurricane Sandy and the forecasts of those hurricanes. It's improved by data, and there's many other things, biological phenomena as well. So I think we always want to be looking for more data, but these things can be out there in the middle of a storm or whatever it may be, and provide information to us.